Namaste children, welcome to social studies class. Children, in our previous class we were discussed about exercise part of the fourth lesson, states of India. Now let us go to the fifth lesson of your social studies, our food. It means our food means only, it is not only our food, it means Indian people, food of Indian people, what they are eating. And in India, all over the India, we are not eating same type of foods. We are eating different types of foods in the different parts of our India. It means North Indians, they are eating something different, and South Indians, they are eating something different, and East Indian people, they are eating different food items, and in the West India, western part of the India, they are going to eat different food items. This means what type of foods we are eating in India. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about that. Please look at your screen, all of you. I am going to share something on your screen. Yeah, look at it. Social studies lesson number 5, our food. In India, first point you can see, in India we eat different kinds of food. As I told now, we eat different types of foods in India. And here food we eat depends upon the landform, climate and the crops grown in the region. So what we eat, for example, in our Karnataka we eat more rice. Why means because in our area we grow more rice. That is why we are eating rice most, a lot. One. Second thing, this soil, if it is suitable for that particular crop, okay, for example, jowar we are eating. Jowar we are eating means this soil is suitable for that crop of jowar. Okay, so that is why when in this land or in this soil we will grow more jowar, and that will be used as our food grain here in our local area. So it means that is land farm. According to that land area, we will be growing some crops, and according to the climate, for example, apple will be growing in the cold areas. So, for example, nearby that northern Himalayas, Himalayan mountains, there Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, there we are growing those kind of apple trees. So, can we grow those apple trees in our Ballari district or in our Agribommanalli? No, it is not possible, because those kind of some of the plants or trees, they need particular climate to grow. That climate, if it is there only, they will grow. If that climate is not there, means they will not grow. So it is also depending upon the crops of that local area. Then in our area, what we grow, that will be our food item, food grain. If we are growing here most rice, means we will eat rice. If we are growing here most wheat, means we will eat wheat. So this is the way. So these three are very important, that these are all depending upon the food grains of the area. For example, one is landform, second one is climate, third one is crops grown in the region, in that area. So these will be depending upon the foods of our people. Then what are all the foods we are eating? Rice, wheat, maize, jowar, bajra are the most popular food grains of India or in India. Rice, you know it, wheat, you know it, maize, mekkejola, that we eat in some part of our India, and jola, that we eat, bajra, it means sajje anta karitivalla adu. So these are the main food grains of our India. And here you can see, look at this map properly. Why yellow color it is there, no? Most of the part it is given in yellow color. It means in these areas, which are all the states are coming in these areas, they grow more rice, and also they eat more rice. It means rice is the staple food of India. It means most of the Indian people eat rice. It means yellow color, where it is here, totally it is yellow color, no, it is all. So here all people we eating rice a lot, and also they grow rice. Then this green color, it indicates wheat. Here people eat wheat, they grow wheat and they eat wheat. Then this color, chocolate color, it is here, no? Here in these areas people grow jola they grow, and they eat ಜೋಳವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then this color, it is there, no? cream color, little orange. So it is in these places people they grow bajra, it means sajjeಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, and also they eat bajra only, and this color it indicates ragi. Okay, millet we are calling, no, that ragi they are growing more and they are eating here ragi. So this is about the different parts of our India where we grow different kind of food grains: rice, wheat, jowar, bajra and ragi. It is rice eating area or rice growing area. Then this is wheat and it is jowar, and this one it is bajra, and this color it indicates ragi. Then look at this, some pictures are here, images are here. It is wheat, it is rye, it is oat. They are all similar food items. Wheat ತರನೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು ರೇ ಮತ್ತು oat, and barley also same. Maize means you know it. In our local area we are growing most of this crop. Maize ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ. Then this is rice. Then after this sorghum is nothing but jowar, jola. Next millet, sajji, and also we are calling that one as a bajra ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. So these are all the food grains we are growing in our local area. And here you can see major food grains in different parts of India. North India, the north part of our India, look at this, which are the directions we should keep in our memory permanently. This, it is northern part of India, it is southern part of India, it is eastern part of our India, it is western part of India. Here they eat most what they given here. So in north part of our India people eat wheat. In east part of our India they eat more rice. When we come to western India, western part of our India, they eat wheat and millets, and southern part of our India, there they eat rice. And few more points: bajra, jowar and wheat are popular in the desert state of Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, jowar, bajra and wheat, these are very popular food grains in Rajasthan state. It is desert area and these needs very less water to grow. Jowar, bajra ಮತ್ತು wheat ಬೆಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. As it is desert, it gets low rainfall, so that here they grow these three crops and also they eat these three food grains. And next one, people of Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala grow more rice and they eat more. They grow more rice and they eat rice more in Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, in these states. And next point you see children, rice is eaten by maximum number of people in the world. In the world, most of the people are eating rice. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರು ಆಹಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. And also in India we eat more rice only. Okay. Then vegetables and fruits. With those food grains, Indians also eat pulses, vegetables and fruits. We are not only eating those food grains, and also we eat some pulses, bele kalugalu, and also vegetables and fruits. Here are some pulses given you. It is harrar dal we are calling her. Harrar dal is nothing but togre bele, harrar dal. Next, this one you can see, it is urdu anta karitalla adu. And this one you see, it is moong dal, hesur bele, moong dal it is. Okay, moong dal we are calling this, and this is urdu. Okay, uddin bele antivalla, that is. Okay, then some vegetables are available throughout the year. It means whole year we are getting these some vegetables. For example, potato. In any season you see, winter, summer, rainy, whenever you go in the market, this will be available. Potato, tomato also, brinjal also, cauliflower also, onion also, lady's finger also. These are the vegetables, these are available throughout the year in the market. Okay, don't forget it. Then come to this part. Some fruits are available throughout the year such as banana and apple. Some fruits they will be available whole year in the market. They are banana. In all the seasons it will be available. And also one more fruit, apple. Apple also will be available throughout the year in the market. Yes, see, the states of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, now it is Union Territory, Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh state. These two are famous for wide variety of apples, different types of apples. You see in the market, some mangoes will be too reddish apples. Some will be little green, like that. Varieties of apples will be there. So those are all different types of apples. There, these two places, states of Jammu Kashmir and this means Himachal Pradesh state and Jammu Kashmir Union Territory. These are famous for growing variety of apples. Then Uttar Pradesh, it is famous for the best variety of mangoes. Uttar Pradesh is famous for mango fruits. Okay, Uttar Pradesh is famous for mango fruits. As it is Nagpur in Maharashtra state, Nagpur, one of the city, it is very famous for oranges. Kittale hannu. It is famous for oranges, orange fruits. And also along with these, people eat meat, egg, fish and other. These are all non-vegetarians. People, those who are eating meat and other things, they are called non-vegetarians. People, they eat vegetables, fruits and food grains, they are called vegetarians. Here you can see downside, vegetarians and non-vegetarians. People, those who are eating meat, called non-vegetarians. People, those who are not eating that meat, except meat, what they are all eating? They are all vegetarians. Food grains they eat, or vegetables they eat, or fruits they will eat. Okay. So vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Vegetarians eat only vegetables and fruits and food grains. But non-vegetarians, they eat meat, animals meat they will eat. They are non-vegetarians. And in the coastal area, it means here, you can see here, I will show to you in the map. This is coastal area, you know it, where the sea and the land meet together. This place is called coastal, coast we are calling it. So in this area, people are catching fishes. They catch fishes in the ocean or sea and they eat more fish in this area, coastal area. Their main food is rice and fish. Rice and fish. Okay, in the coastal area, people of coastal area, they eat more rice and fish. Keep it in your mind. Then come to this point now. So people in coastal areas eat fish more, and we use spices which make the food tasty. To make our food items tasty, we use some spices like chilies, cloves, turmeric, pepper, menusu, lavanga, different masala items anna balastivi. They are called spices, masala items. Okay, masala items are called spices. Why we use them? To make our food tasty, we are using them. For example, for spices, chili, red chili, green chili, we are using, no? And cloves, lavanga, we are telling lavanga, no, that, and turmeric, arishina, that we use. And pepper, round black pepper we are calling it. ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರೋ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾಳುಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ಸ್. ದೋಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. Kerala state is known as land of spices and coconuts. Kerala state is very famous for growing spices, different spices. Masala items more we grow in Kerala state. Kerala is very famous for spices and also it is very famous for coconuts. And next one is oil for cooking. So whenever we cook food, we use oil. Here we use ghee, tuppa. We use ghee to prepare our food items. And mustard oil. Mustard means nothing but ಸಾಸಿವೆ. ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. So that one. And groundnut oil. It means ಶೇಂಗಾ ಎಣ್ಣೆ that we use. And coconut oil. Coconut oil means ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ. So when you go to Mangaluru and Udupi there, here we are using palm oil. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಶೇಂಗಾ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ, ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಯಿಲನ್ನು ಅಡುಗೆಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಉಡುಪಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ, ಕಾರವಾರ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವರು ಅಡುಗೆಗೆ ಕೊಬ್ಬರಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕುಕ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್, ಘೀ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ groundnut oil, sunflower oil, and other oils also we use for the preparing food. You can see here children, it is one of the real image, it's sent by my friend. He is working in Jammu Kashmir, one of the soldier in that CRPF of our country. Okay, he is my friend. So he sent this photo yesterday night he sent this. He has taken this photo yesterday morning and sent it to me in the evening. So it is real apple tree, image of that real apple tree that he has taken that photo and sent it to me. So I thankful to him for sending this photo. You can see it. Here see apples are there. So these will be grown in the cold areas. Okay, very cold areas where we see there these will be growing apple trees. Then homework for today, write these points in your social CW. These points you can write in your social CW. With this, I am going to conclude this fifth lesson. Our food. What are all the food items we are eating in India? So all of you listen this video carefully and understand what are all the food items we are eating in India. Okay, take care children. Have a nice day.